part to calibrate. Oh my god.
Sunny, as much as I'd like to agree, the Half-Life Alyx synthetics all have like terrible white paint.
Wait.
I know they do.
Oh yeah.
I
This
know
is not
they
even
do.
Alex. It's not even the
This
fucking
is-
name from Alex.
Oh,
Oh,
my god.
God.
He fucking made a
Hey
full body
there.
track. Oh dear god. It's like its own creature. It's like a fucking alien itself.
I hate the arms so much. They barely respond to what I do.
What the fuck? Did you add rotation constraints?
No, I
So
just
much, I
made
can
you
barely
read
move
for
my
it.
arms. I have to
What
like.
are the actual arms?
That's white
They're
paint.
like on the top of this thing. They're in the middle somewhere. Like,
Gordon,
look at this.
I told you to prepare for unforeseen consequences.
I don't want to see them.
Why does it look like the thing from fucking Monsters Inc? It's the fucking quarantine guys that come out. 2319. We got a 2319.
Fuck off.
Do a backflip right now.
Oh, backflip.
Please
Hold
don't.
on, wait.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Look at these moves.
That's beautiful.
It is. Oh. Hey, how's it going there? You know.
Were you fucking sliding?
Yeah, if you do the continuous die animation on any of your avatars, and then just like go onto the bed and then just move, you just
Yeah, you've actually got to set it up to freeze you now. So if you don't, you just kind of slide whenever you do anything.
wait. No,
Huh?
not that. No, not that.
Except for jumping. Jumping breaks it.
What do you mean jumping bricks?